Today we announced our $30 million Series A and our first 6 products at Natural, and I'm going to show you how to use some of them. Let's get into it. We're going to start on Natural's dashboard, where you can see our total balance across all of our accounts, some of the agents we've been using most recently, and some of the transactions our agents have made. If I jump into the Agents tab, you can see our agents that our organization has created, as well as the agents delegated to us from other organizations. To show you some of the ways you might use Natural, I'm going to jump into Claude Code to show you some of the tools. Let's start with, what's my total balance? Claude is going to call Natural and return back to me all of my accounts, as well as each account's balance. You can see we have $2.6 million in Natural. From here, I can do something like deposit $1,000 from my external account. This will pull my connected bank accounts and initiate a deposit. If I tab back to the dashboard, you'll see that that deposit has been initiated. From here, I'm going to try requesting money from Gabby for our lunch week dinner. So I'm going to do request $500 from Gabby Smith at gmail.com for launch week dinner. If Gabby exists on Natural, then it'll request her Natural account directly. And if she doesn't, then it'll send a payment request directly to her email. After some thinking, you'll see that that payment has been sent. Now I'm going to jump over to Slack to show you one of the use cases we built internally for our own accounts payable. On my dashboard, I have a legal invoice that I have to pay. And I'm going to drop it in our accounts payable Slack channel. And we have an agent named Spruce. And I'm going to tag Spruce and say, hey Spruce, can you please pay this invoice for me? Spruce is going to read the invoice. It's going to detect the amount it has to pay and who it has to pay it to. And it's going to use our Natural account to automatically send the payment. Nice, looks like it came through. All of this is available now at natural.com, and we're super excited for you to try it.